Everyone, so today I have come up with the next part of the coding tutorials of understanding visual-based programming. So today we will be discussing about the platform that is Scratch, and we will understand all the elements and like the label diagram of the Scratch window. So come with me and let's see what is Scratch and what are the elements and how does it. Scratch.mit.edu. On this website, you can create your account by signing in, but firstly we can click on create and we will be redirected to the Scratch window where we can go to create animation, stories and games. So this is the Scratch editor. Here it will be a cat, which is its default animation in the sprite bar. So let me explain what is it all about. So here it is a blocks palette where all the blocks will be available according to their functions. It is the stage where the animation is displayed, and it is a programming area or the scripts area. It is the toolbar like Scratch, File, Edit, and here it is a sprite group where all the sprites are displayed which we are using while doing the animation. So I hope it is clear to you what is this platform and what are its components included in this project editor. In the blocks palette, we have certain events according to which the blocks are divided. So like motion, looks, event, sound, etc. are some of the events which are present in this platform. So first of all, we can start with motion. So like these are the blocks, move 10 steps. It will make the sprite move 10 steps, and after that we have turned 15 degrees. It will make the sprite turn like a clock is turned its hands like that only. It will turn 15 degrees, and it is the clockwise, and the third one it is anti-clockwise. Fourth one is go to random position. It will go to any position present in the stage area, and then go to X. It will go to the specified location which we want to specify in the animation. Then we have glide 1 second to random positions. Glide means like the sliding position of any one sprite. Then we have glide 1 second to X minus 73 Y 70. It means it will slide the sprite to the specified location of X and Y. Point in direction. So this will point the sprite in the direction which is written in it, and then point towards mouse pointer. So like point towards mouse pointer, it will point the sprite towards the pointer like here. It will point toward the sprite, and then change X by 10. So it will increase its X position by 10, like the 10 would be added to its current X position. Then set X to minus 73. The position will change without any gliding, without any sliding. Like it will just go to that position. Change Y by 10, like same like Y, current position of Y would be added by 10, and then set Y to 17. The Y position would be changed here. And if on edge bounds, we will understand while making any animation, we will use this function. And then set rotation style. Like its rotation style would be set to left, right. Like you will understand when we will execute these coding functions while making any animation. So I hope the motion is clear to you. Then we have the looks function. Here we will see what animation will speak, like in a cloud we say, and in think we say in a like box, thinking box. Then say hello for 2 seconds. For 2 seconds this message will be displayed on the screen. Say hello. It will be displayed in the whole animation and will not be disappearing for any moment. In think, the change is that the boxes will be different, and then think like it I explained you in the same. Then switch costume to costume 2. So this sprite have many costumes which we can switch, like change it to the next costume. We will define it. Next costume means the second one, like after the first costume, the second costume. So I will show you this costume in while we will make the game in the next video. And switch backdrop. Backdrop is like a background of the stage area. Next backdrop is the second backdrop we have after the current one. Then change size by 10. So the size would be changed by 10, and if we will do -10, the size will be reducing. Set size to 100%. The size will be its default size, which was there while we uploaded that sprite. Then we have changed color effect by 25. The color would be its effect would be more if we will do it like this and set color effect to 0. The color effect wouldn't be there if we will make it 0. And clear graphic effects, whatever effects we will like apply on that sprite, it all will be cleared. Show hide. So show means to show that sprite in the animation while that particular time, and hide means to hide it from that stage area. Go to front layer. Like we have many multiple animations listed there. So when we will do go to front layer, it will come on the top and other will go at its back. Then go forward one layer. Like we have 3 layers, like 3 sprites, and if we will do this function, it will come with 1 layer. Like in 3, we do the last one, and then it will come to the second position. Then costume number, backdrop number we will then specify here, and size also. So I hope the looks is also clear to you. I hope that the motion and looks event are very well clear to you, and all the blocks of these events are very well understood. So let's have a quiz here for both the events and answer them correctly and tell me. Dear viewers, I hope that you answer the questions in the comment box. Now let's proceed to the sound, that is the last component of this video, and we will do the rest in the next video. So here we have certain sounds in this Scratch platform for making the animation effective. So here it is the default sound meow, which would be played until done, like the whole sound will be played. And start sound will specify when it have to start, and stop all sounds. When we will apply many sounds at once, then it will stop all sounds altogether. Then change pitch effect. So its pitch effect would be changed by 10, and as I say, if you will write -10, its pitch effects would be reduced by -10. Set pitch effect, so it will set the pitch effect to 100. Clear sound effects. All the sound effects would be disappeared whenever we will use this function. Change volume by -10. The volume would be reduced by 10, and if we will do 10, then volume would be increased by 10. Then set volume to 100%. The default volume would be set to 100%, like the sound which is there in that volume would be played. And it is a volume function which we can use while in the control blocks, which we will understand later. So I hope the sound is clear. Now let's have a quiz for this event too here. And as I say, answer the questions in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it and understood all the events I explained in this video. And those who know, it is very good. So for any queries, you can mail me or write in the comment box, and I will answer it to you. So share the video, like it, comment it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.